Welcome. In STAAD Foundation Advanced 2024, you can now model, analyze, and design isolated and combined footings according to the ACI 318-19 specification. Similar to the design of MET foundations, the workflow for isolated and combined footings is as follows. You will start by modeling the appropriate foundation for each support. You will then perform the analysis and the post-analysis, and then you will perform the design and detailing for the foundation system. For this video, we will focus on the third step in the workflow, performing the post-analysis for isolated and combined footings. The post-analysis will use the analysis results to check each footing for serviceability, such as sliding, overturning, and bearing pressure. To start the process, we will create and assign the post-analysis criteria. To do that, click on the Post-Analysis Checks and Design tab of the ribbon toolbar and click on the Create Criteria icon. In the Data area, enter the appropriate post-analysis check criteria for your footings, including parameters related to the sliding and overturning checks. Once you are done, click on the Create button. After creating the post-analysis check criteria, you will then need to apply the criteria to the appropriate footings before performing the post-analysis check. Let's start by selecting the isolated footings. Once all of the footings are selected, go to the Properties dialog in the Data area and specify the post-analysis criteria we just created. Then, repeat this process for the combined footings. We are now ready to perform the post-analysis checks. To do that, click on the Perform Post-Analysis Check icon and select the All option. After the checks are complete, notice that the results are available on screen and indicate which footings are passing and which are failing. Notice that several of our footings are currently failing the post-analysis checks. To rectify this, let's ask STAAD Foundation Advanced to resize those footings to achieve a passing post-analysis check. To do that, you must first set up the sizing criteria, which will instruct the program which limitations you wish to impose during the resizing process. In the Post-Analysis Checks and Design tab of the ribbon toolbar, click on the Sizing criteria, then the Foundation icon. In the Create Sizing Criteria dialog, enter the allowable dimensions and increments, and then click on the Create button. Finally, assign the sizing criteria to each of the footings that are currently failing. After assigning the sizing criteria, you are ready to perform the sizing check. To do that, select all of the failed footings and click on the Perform Sizing Check icon in the Post-Analysis Checks and Design tab in the ribbon toolbar. While performing the sizing check, the program will re-perform the finite element analysis for each footing, and several STAAD analysis and design dialogues will appear during this process. After the sizing check is complete, notice that the footings have been resized and new post-analysis check results are available. This concludes the process for performing a post-analysis check for isolated and combined footings. This model is now ready for the next step in the workflow, design and detailing.